Same day last year, I published a video on how to host or create a meeting in Google Meet using a desktop PC. And now, that video has already reached 20,000 views! Woohoo! Hi, I'm Elena. Welcome to my e-class in Bytes. If you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel if you want videos about education, technology, and content creation. To celebrate the 20K milestone, I am making an updated version of that video. In 1 year, Google Meet had many updates on its features that can be totally beneficial if you use it for your online class or any virtual meetings. Let me show you what are those on this demo. First, sign in your Google account. Right now, I am using a G Suite or Google Workspace for Education account. An update made using this type of account is that it will allow you to have host controls that you cannot have when creating a meeting from a personal Gmail account. Now, look for Google Meet in the Google Apps, or you can also type meet.google.com in your browser. There are 3 ways to create a meeting. It can be for later, an instant meeting, or scheduling it through Google Calendar. I have a video on how to do this. I will put the link to that video in the description below. On this demo, I will start an instant meeting. After clicking, the Google Meet interface will appear on your screen. You can now see that your meeting is ready. Copy the meeting info that will be shared to your students or participants. It will also detect your video and audio settings. If successful, you can blur or change to a virtual background if you wish to. You can also turn off your camera and your microphone. If you already shared the meeting info, expect the participants to join. When using a G Suite account, you can set up your meeting to automatically admit participants using also their G Suite account within the same organization as yours. If they are using a personal Gmail account to join the meeting, they are considered as an outsider. Thus, you need to admit them manually or even deny their entry. Another update made is now you can include your profile tile in the screen together with your participants. You can also minimize your tile to hide it. Clicking this button will show you the meeting info. Clicking this button, you will see your participants. As a host, you can mute all your participants, add participants. Click the 3 dots beside the participant's name to pin them on the screen or remove them from the meeting. This button will show you the in-call messages or chat box. This button is for activities such as recording or whiteboard. This button is for host management control for meeting safety. You can prevent your participants from sharing their screen and send chat messages by turning it off. If you turn off quick access, this means that participants from the same organization using their G Suite account will still need to be manually admitted on the call. You can also view all host settings here. Click this button to turn on captions. You can also use the raise hand button. Participants who raise their hands can be viewed on the Participants tab. You can present or share your entire screen, a window, or a chosen tab. Sharing your entire screen will also allow you to share audio. When you share a tab with audio, make sure to check this box. With a G Suite account, you can record your meeting. The video will be saved in your Google Drive. Change the layout of your screen to auto, tile that allows you to see up to 49 participants by adjusting this slider, spotlight for presentations, or sidebar. Tiled is my personal choice because I want to see most of my participants on screen. When ending the meeting, you can leave the call and allow your participants to end the call on their own, or just end the call for all. That's how easy to use the updated Google Meet using a desktop PC as a host. I hope you enjoyed this video update. Thank you again for watching all of my videos. And if you find value again on this video, I appreciate the like, share, and comment you will leave below. And please do subscribe and click the bell to be notified of my future videos. There are more videos here, just click to watch. Bye!